Hey everyone, I want to go over the question that I often receive. How can I trade if I have a full-time job? I've probably helped thousands of traders from all different backgrounds, all different walks of life, and actually some of the best traders I know are folks who work full-time jobs. So these 5 steps here I want to cover. If you do work full-time, you can still successfully trade. Heck, you can actually use your job and being away from the screens and the monitors and the micromanagement to your advantage. So, number one, swing trade. I'll be honest, day trading to me, and especially right now in the market with such a tight range, you're only going to make a little bit of money day trading. Those real big home runs that you hit from overnight news, analyst upgrades, downgrades, earnings, buyouts, you're going to get those swing trading, usually holding positions from a few days to a few months. So use swing trading out there. Next thing, use probability to profit. Now, if you're, and that should really apply for all traders out there, but if you're a guy who likes to buy cheap out the money options, and let's say you have a flight so you can't watch your position for the next 10 hours, why not go and buy some higher delta options and buy some time on your option? So use probability in your favor. Don't do these low probability trades where you have 20 trades on and you have to manage them all. No, use high probability, pick high delta options if you're going to trade them. Next thing, and everyone has this, there's really no excuses. Use alerts and they go right to your cell phone. So set alerts to your cell phone. Like I'll pull up this here. I don't know if we can see it, if it will zoom this low. But this is my TD Ameritrade account. These are all alerts that I get. And they're not just alerts on fills and not fills. I'll actually show you. You can go to your chart here. So here's the S&P, and let's say I want to create an alert. I right click. There's a little bell, and then I could put my alert at or below this level, and it will actually put the line, and then it will notify. See down here, notify with a bell. Send text messages. You could do it during or after market hours, and send push notifications to your mobile device. So there we go. If the S&P falls below 208.89, I'll get an alert. So really, no excuses. If you say, "Oh, I have to, take my kids to school, or I got to pick them up, or I got to travel, or I have a lunch or a dinner to go to," takes 2 seconds. Check your cell phone. Boom. Next thing, pretty sure you have your Robinhood, TD, Schwab, whatever account, you have the app on your phone. It takes 1 minute to access it, and you can manage your positions. So use the technology to your favor. Use spreads if you're trading. If you're not confident on market direction or stock direction, there's no shame on selling a credit spread, collecting maybe 20 to 30% gain in a few weeks, selling like a Netflix bear call spread, or selling a IWM bear call spread, or selling an Apple bull put credit spread. Use it. You can create weekly income selling spreads out there. Again, you're not going to hit home runs, but if you're looking to trade full time and want an extra, couple $100 a week or a month, whatever your risk is coming in, use spreads. And you don't have to micromanage spreads. Like let's say you buy call spreads, you'll have the high delta call working in your favor, and the call you sold collecting a credit. You can use that spread to your advantage. Lastly, be confident, and always, where confidence comes from, it's not, "Hey, I'm a great trader." It's in risk management right there. So always know your max risk, okay, when you're trading, especially if you're working a full-time job. I always say this to my traders. If I'm, let's say, I went to Disney camping. I wasn't on my cell phone the whole time out there. If the market crashed and everything went crazy, what is my max loss? And do I have some insurance? Do I have some kind of hedges out there? That doesn't come with, "Hey, I'm a good trader." No, that allows me, if I am covered, so I have, let's say, call options and I have some put options on, I always know where I'm going to stand if the worst happens. That creates confidence. So there's a book called the Swing Trader Survival Guide, I think it is, or Survival Kit, something like that. I think it's an Alan Farley book. I still have it in my bookshelf somewhere. Every now and then I pick it up. And he goes over, if he's long, let's say Apple, Facebook, and letter X, and you wake up and there's bad China news and everything's selling off. China's down 3%. The U.S. markets, the futures are indicating a 2% down move. What are you going to do? And if you're confident and if you're covered, so you always want to cover your behind in trading, and you always know your max risk, you won't be panicking. You won't say, oh no, I'm going to lose all my money, or I'm going to lose X amount of money, or this account's going to be down. Be confident. Always know your max risk. That's the number one important thing. If you do these 5 steps, you can work 10, 12, maybe 2 hours a day, but you can work your full-time job, still trade, still follow the markets. In fact, read 15 minutes before the day, 15 minutes after the day, what has happened in the markets, maybe your positions that you're holding, see if anything's changed. If not, go and live and enjoy your life. Thanks everyone, and happy holidays. Hope to hear from you soon.